Hello, Monkey and Zitsy Monk here. Today we are going over the gun holster! Woohoo! Now this is the 4th tutorial. I do not have a previous tutorial of this one actually. So, this is all brand new. This is my first attempt at a gun holster, so I'm sorry if it looks a little off, but it was a quick attempt and it doesn't take that long. A little bit of sewing and a lot of hot glue and regular glue. So, let's get this tutorial started. First, get your measurements, and that's just a random ring I found around the house. Literally, it's so strange. And cut out 4 total strips. 2 are going to go in the front, so be sure to measure your length around the front. And then 2 are going to go to the back, and it's all going to connect with that middle ring. So cut 4 straps total. This is just some scrap black leather I found lying around my house. So just cut some strips, and then you're going to hem the ends. So that's really it as far as this part goes. This part is not that hard.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You'll never have the sacred stone.
Now as far as this part goes, she has a little pouch that holds some type of powder and containers. So just cut this type of shape. I don't know exactly how you would describe it, but you need cut 2 so you can hem them together, and then cut little strips to hold the actual flash powder that she uses. Now just get a plastic gun holster. It came with my gun, so I just use this one, and you're just going to hot glue the fabric over it, so cut it to the size, and then you're going to hot glue the seams together. And here's where I show you how to hot glue it. Now remember, hot glue is very hot, and this is very tedious. So just work with it slowly, do little itty-bitty strips, that way it's as smooth as possible. And it's very hot, so be very cautious when using this. And you're literally going to cover the entire case with black leather. Now, mine had little metal circles on it. I cut those out, and then mine also had the little loops at the top to where I could attach to a holster. So I also covered that in pleather, then recut the holes right there. And the cool thing about this fabric is it does not fray. So this is perfect for this type of project, and it's really quick, really easy. Just be cautious and take your time with it. It's not that hard, I promise. Be sure to trim off any excess fabric that you have, that way it has a nice cleaner look. Now I am showing you what your finished product should look like. Very clean, and it looks like it was already pre-made this way. Now I've sewn those 2 pieces together from earlier as far as her capsule holder goes, and now I'm showing you where I'm going to be bobby pinning these at, and here they are bobby pinned. Just sew along those lines. I use clear thread. That was the best for this project. And then after that, you're going to go ahead and sew on your straps. Now be sure one long one goes in the front, the short one goes in the back, same as this holster right here for your other one. Just connect the pieces. And then this is what your holster should look like, completely connected and finished. I just sewed it all to that ring. And unfortunately, this makes it not adjustable, but if you make it to your size, it will fit you perfectly. I am showing my dad here as a demonstration of what it looks like on him, because I'm the camera person and he tends to shake too much for the camera sake, so you wouldn't be able to see what exactly we're doing. But be sure you leave open the holes for that one. And here's your holster. All you need to do is glue. She has like little things like this all the way around it, but it came in a pack with just different ones, so I just decided to use them all. They look really good in photos. And I put it all over the gun holster.
And these are 2 pockets for her flash powder stuff. I didn't make any tubes, so I didn't do that. I have an obsession with hot glue. Hot glue is the crap.